Well, it's a good thing I packed the generator and the heater. Might be needing it with all the snow. Maybe once we cross the divide of the mountains and get on the other side, might be a lot less snow. BC's usually got a lot nicer weather than what we got. Should be heading down into Invermere within the hour, hopefully. There's the sign right there, it's official. BC, 40 kilometers over limit, roadside vehicle impoundment. There's no screwing around here, not in British Columbia. It's nice to see on the other side that a lot of the snow is gone. Might make access into where we're going a little bit more easier. I don't know exactly where we're going. Probably another hour and a half left to drive. I'm going to Invermere first, do some things, wait for Dave to come, and then we're heading out. And then Kevin will be coming shortly after that. We're about 2 kilometers away from Radium Hot Springs. If you guys have never been there or never heard of it, if you're ever out this way, it's a definite place to go to and check it out. I've only been there once when I was a kid, but it's pretty darn amazing. Last time I was out this way was probably 4 or 5 years ago when I came and picked up that Malibu skier boat. That was a long time ago. So this is a definite adventure. There we are, Radium Hot Springs right down there. This place is always super packed. Yeah, it wouldn't be good driving through this canyon if all of a sudden rocks started falling down. And there's nothing more annoying than following behind this big semi either. Well, I'm just sitting outside of the Tim Hortons. I've been here for, I guess, about a half hour now, just kind of chilling. Dave is in Radium, he's about 10 minutes away, and then we're gonna head out to the spot. I did my BCE ID and I did my FMC, so hopefully I should get an email saying that my FMC is done, which means I can operate a sluice box in BC. And I'll be pretty excited to head out to the claim. I think we're only about an hour away, so just patiently waiting. It's hard to see, but there's some sand down there. It might be worth checking it out. Big boulder there, probably got some gold. There's another big boulder down yonder as well. Still a lot of snow on the banks, unfortunately. Alright, the two-wheel drive crawl over all these sharp rocks. Hopefully don't get a sidewall puncture, because that would suck. Whoops. Nice little camping spot here at least. Alright, it's motherfucking beer time. We're just gonna wait for Kevin to show up. Dave gave me one of his kokanees. Cheers.
We're not waiting for Kevin to show up. Cheers.
Fuck that. We're in BC, so we're gonna drink some BC beer. First camping trip of the season. Still quite a bit of snow out here though.
For peace and quiet.
I actually parked my truck here with my Honda generator to run my heater because those guys are gonna park down here with their generators, and they don't have a quiet ones. They have like the Champion super loud. Can't bring wood across the border, so we scavenged the forest for some wood. I did get my BC permit for firewood. It's good for a year in this location, and it's free. So relaxing just to listen to the water. This is kind of the beer I brought down. Brewhouse Pilsner. It's going hard in the snow and ice there. Desperately trying to find some gold. One little speck. That's it. Be so much better if the snow was all gone. I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Now looking at this hill above me, you can see right where my finger is pointing, somewhere in that direction. That's where all the gravels are. It's probably where the gold is located. And you can see on the bank where the gravels have come down. This is where a hydraulic cannon would come in handy. Hydraulic cannon, the riverbank or the side of the bank, funnel it down to a sluice. That's how the old timers did it. No fucks given. Nowadays in British Columbia, I believe the law is you got a sluice box 10 meters from the riverbank, can't discharge into the river, have to go into a tailings pond. I think you can't run any more than 1.5 inches suction unless you have a water permit and all this other BS. Kevin is finally here. Alright, well, it's been a few months since I've used the solar generator. 13.8 volts. We're plugged in now, start drawing some current. Oh, the sun is setting. Everybody's setting up camp. I got the BioLite camp stove busted out. Gonna cook up 3 hot dogs, haven't used her in a while. See if I can get this thing fired up. Oh yeah, this thing's cooking now. Let's get some wood fired in there. Got some wieners on there now. Got some flame happening. Oh yeah. Flames are really starting to stoke up now, Zach.
I can hear it happening.
Really not the grilling dogs, are they?
No.
They're more like to put them in water and boil them.
Yeah, a little more like the burnt dogs.
Wonder if they're gonna taste like ass.
Well, you'll soon find out.
There we go, camping meal of fucking champions. Man, this thing is so awesome. Fucking Dave is hardcore. Right to the bitter darkness. Hey, hardcore Dave? Fuck yeah, caribou, genuine. 5.5%. Canadian flags all over, bro. Motherfucking beer time. Generator's fired up. Well, this is day 1. Time to shut her down. Be more prepared this time. A few years ago, me and Aubrey went camping in the springtime. I froze. Got down to -20 that night. It is below 0 right now. But I got the Honda generator running. That little small ceramic heater on low. Which means I'm not going to freeze tonight. Solar power still running strong, 12.7 volts, we're doing good. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next video.